Here's Alyssa. Her friend Reagan. Say hi. You're on video. Just to show you how deep the snow is. I just got done spending about an hour doing my drive and the sidewalks and all that. Neighbors. Drive. Hey, I got a camera. Come on now, no snowballs. And we got about 24 inches right there. Maybe 20. Guesstimate. Cars all uncovered. Cars all uncovered. They had a bunch of snow on top. Neighbors making Tori's over there helping them make she's in the green making a snowball or a snowman. Hey! Quit throwing snowballs. People been out, I mean, it's pretty much ice, packed ice, snow on the roads. Of course, they don't use plows down here. But it's like all the neighbors got their moms and dads out on the cars, tying ropes and pulling them behind sledding around their loop of our neighborhood. Anywho, so much for not having snow down in Virginia Beach. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, off she goes. And Alyssa one more time. Out here having fun. Wave one more time.
Huh?
Say hi, Papaw. Hi, Mimi.
Hi, Papaw. Hi, Mimi.
All right. Bye-bye.